Welcome to our channel. Today we how to automate online sales with Shopify detailed guide step by step clearly. To automate online sales with Shopify, start by signing up for a Shopify account if you haven't already. Choose a suitable pricing plan based on your business needs. Set up your online store by entering essential information like your business name and contact details. Select a theme that aligns with your brand's identity from the Shopify theme store. Customize your theme by adjusting colors, fonts, and layouts to create a user-friendly interface. Add products to your store by navigating to the Products section. Upload high-quality images, write detailed product descriptions, and set competitive prices. Organize your products into collections to enhance navigation for your customers. Set up payment gateways by going to the Settings and then Payments section. Enable Shopify payments or choose third-party payment providers to facilitate transactions. Configure shipping settings by defining shipping rates and regions you want to serve. Utilize Shopify's automation features by exploring the Apps section. Install relevant apps like Overflow for dropshipping or Kit for marketing automation. Integrate email marketing tools such as MailChimp or Klaviyo to capture leads and automate communication. Set up abandoned cart recovery emails to remind customers about their unfinished purchases. Schedule automated follow-up emails for customer feedback and product reviews. Leverage social media tools integrated within Shopify to create and manage ads. Use Shopify's reporting tools to track sales, product performance, and customer behavior. Analyze the data to understand trends and make informed decisions for future strategies. Regularly update your product listings to keep content fresh and engaging. Optimize your store for SEO to improve visibility on search engines. Implement retargeting ads to reach customers who visited your store but did not make a purchase. Consider using loyalty programs to encourage repeat business from existing customers. Ensure that customer service inquiries are handled efficiently by using chatbots or help desk software. Continuously test and adjust your strategies based on analytics and customer feedback. This comprehensive approach will help you establish a fully automated online sales system with Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.